Hey guys, so it's Katrinavxo here, and I wanted to show you guys a makeup tutorial today, or just a look that I've been really loving and that I've been really doing it. Actually today's the first day I've done it with eyeliner, and I really like it. The colors came out so pigmented, and I think you guys are gonna like this look too. And I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette today. So I just got this little baby right here, and I'm so in love. Like, literally, it's so pigmented, and I love it. If you guys haven't gotten this palette yet, like, you guys need to get on with this palette. I made a YouTube video in a while, so let's get started. And so I already did the transition color already on my eye. And I use this color right here, this one. I took that and I just took a fluffy brush, and I just build up and blended it. I'm just gradually building the color on my eyelid. And I was doing it earlier, and I was about to do this eye too, but I was like, let me just slow down. So I'm just gradually building the color up on my eyelid, and I already did some earlier, so I'm not going to be super building it up because I did it already. Anyway, so moving on to the next color, I'm going to be taking this red shade right here, and I'm going to be gradually building it up on my eyelid too. This is going to be the second color that we're going to be using. We're only using 4 colors in this look, and it's all pretty much in the same color scheme. So I'm just going to be taking it with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be doing the same thing but focusing more on my crease area. But I'm going to continue to build this up on my eyes. And I'm just doing window wiper motions just so I can really get the color on my eyelid and like blend it. I really like this look. I've done like similar looks like this, but with just different shades, and I'm thinking this could be like a really good holiday Christmas shade. Christmas look, just because it does incorporate red, but it's not too red, and it does have the white highlights with it. So yeah. I did make another video, but I just didn't get to post it. I made it a couple days ago and I didn't post it, and I was thinking about like if I really want to post it or not, because my setup is so horrible. And that's one thing I want to talk about, is the reason why I don't make a lot of YouTube videos anymore, or I just don't make it as much as I promise I'm supposed to, like as much as I promised, because I was thinking at the beginning of the year that I really wanted to like up my YouTube channel, and I really wanted to get into it, and like of course I'm into it. I feel like I just don't have enough creativity, and not even gonna lie, like this past year, like I haven't been into makeup as I've been in the past couple years. I recently just bought this palette, and it just made me want to like do more eye looks and things like that, and maybe that was the problem. I did get the Morphe 5.0 at the beginning of the year, and I was probably doing a lot of makeup tutorials off that. I don't remember, but I know that that was one of the reasons why I did makeup tutorials, because I had a new palette. But now that I think of it, like I just kind of like laid off for the palettes for a while, because I feel like like if you do makeup a lot, like you just think about it and you're just like, oh, I already have this color for this palette, I already have this color and this color, and it's just like there's no point of wasting your money if you already have all these like shades already. But I don't know, I was just like, you know what, Katrina, like why don't you just treat yourself and get the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I did, and like I've been doing my freaking makeup like every other day now. So now we're gonna move on and take an angle brush. I'm gonna be taking the shade right under the shade that we just put on for our whole crease, and then we're gonna focus this on more in the outer V and the crease area, and we're just gonna take window wiping motions again, but just focus them more on the crease area. So we're not gonna blend up, we're just gonna keep focusing it in this area right here, and just like drag it into the inner part of the lid, but staying focused on only the middle part and the outer corner of our eyes. I hope I don't get copyrighted because I have some music on. I was watching Elizabeth Ramirez's videos earlier, and if you guys aren't watching her, like, you guys need to go and watch her. Oh, that's another thing too. Like, I've been off YouTube for so long. Like, I really have not even watching any YouTube videos at all. Like, I do watch videos, but I only watch videos like D4KL or like I don't know, those types of videos. And it's not like I'm not into makeup. It's not like I wasn't into makeup. I just felt like I didn't have any new people to watch. And I still watch oh, sorry. Alright, and then so now we're going to be focusing on our inner corner area. So I'm going to be spraying my brush with Mara Badescu again. Oh my god. And I'm so sorry for the lighting because and my setup. Like, sorry guys. See, like, there's so much freaking fallout on my face. You guys can't see it, but I can. I'm gonna be taking these two shades right here. And oh my god, guys, like, I didn't think these shades were gonna be so pigmented, but when I put it on my eyelid, I put it in my brow bone, I was like, oh my god, like, I've never seen so much, like, pigmentation before on freaking white eyeshadows. And I was looking at it and I was like, I thought these were like matte shades, you know? We're gonna take like a fluffy flat brush like this, if you guys can see. And we're gonna be taking the same two shades that we used on our eyes today, the two red shades, and I'm just gonna line the bottom of my eyes. Okay, so a topic I wanted to talk about, another one was that, like, the reason why I feel like I don't make YouTube videos anymore is because I don't have like the right setup for it, and I just feel like the setup is like really important. And like, just comparing to all these other YouTubers out here that have the setup, like, of course, like of course I enjoy making videos, but like I do want people to like view my videos too and stuff, and I feel like it's because like I don't have a good setup. Like, nobody wants to watch my videos, and that's what catches people's attentions. And yeah, so that was another thing I wanted to talk about. I don't know, like, it just doesn't give me that much motivation with makeup videos. And then I don't really have anything else that like I would put on my channel, because it's more just like a beauty channel than like, I don't know. I was thinking about doing vlogs, but my life is just not that interesting for vlogs yet, and I feel like I want to wait to do vlogs. Mascara, I was using L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise in waterproof. Oh my god, like, y'all don't even know, this is really the dupe for Better Than Sex mascara. Like, I haven't used that mascara. I haven't used a big tube, but I used a small one, and like I loved it, you know. But like, that's pretty much exactly the same. But now I'm gonna be lining my eyes. I'm just gonna do a wing eyeliner, and we'll see if I can do it on camera, because I always suck at this. And I'm actually surprised I actually got this wing eyeliner like pretty good without like standing over the sink. But I'm gonna be using Essence Super Precise Eyeliner, Long Lasting Plus Waterproof. So I'm just gonna be like lining my eyes. Eyelashes on now, and I'm gonna be using Kiss Mink Lashes Midnight, and oh my god, guys, it's like my favorite. Waiting for it to get tacky. So if you watched it before, like comment something down below. Okay, now I'm gonna be doing my bottom eyelashes. I used 3 different mascaras for this, just because I want to enhance the longer eyelashes look. So I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal Lash Voluminous Paradise. Let's see. I'm going to be going in now with the Maybelline's the Falsies Push Up Drama, and I'm just gonna be doing the same thing. And then now I'm gonna be taking the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara and doing the same thing. I use it to help me like separate the eyelashes after the push-up one, because I said it leaves little clumps. But the problem is that like I can't use it on my top lashes because it just like drags my eyes down, and that's not something that I like. Like gives me those like straight pointy lashes, and I don't like that. And then now we're gonna be moving on to highlight. I'm so excited. But before we highlight, oh yeah, this is the final eye look. I hope it's freaking focusing. Like this is the final eye look. I hope you guys can see that. But I'm going to be taking Mario Badescu's rose water spray. I'm just going to be spraying this all over my face. Just so that it gives me it makes my my powder and my contour and everything just blend all together. And then now I'm going to highlight my face. I'm going to be taking my highlighting brush, taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and taking my highlighting spray, my highlighter brush. Let me look for it. So I'm just going to be spraying it twice. Like I'm going to be taking Champagne Pop, Becca's Champagne Pop. No, this one is Opal. Becca's Opal, and I'm going to be dabbing it like this, just swirling it, and just highlighting my face. Now I'm going to be highlighting my nose. I'm going to be taking a small, really tiny, like, kind of like pencil brush thing. You guys can't even see it like that. Okay. So I'm going to be just spraying it too. I'm only spraying it once because it's so freaking tiny. But I'm just going to be like dipping it into the highlighter and just tapping some of the excess off. Just creating a little dot on my nose. And then for my lips, I'm going to be taking Anastasia's lip gloss and butterscotch. And I'm going to use this for this is going to be the first. So I'm going to be taking Madeline from the NYX Butter glosses and just apply it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'm sorry that it was a super duper long video, but it kind of explains how why I haven't been on YouTube for a while, and I did give you guys a makeup look along with my little chit chat. And I hope you guys come back and watch more of my videos, and I want you guys to comment down below, or DM me, message me if you guys have any other suggestions for videos for me. And yeah, I really want to give you guys some content, and I know I've been sucking at it, but I'm hoping to come out with more, right guys? And I like I said, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup look. And so yeah. Oh, and I forgot, don't forget to set your makeup. I'm using Urban Decay's All Nighter spray. Okay. Alright guys, but I'll see you guys on my next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Mwah.